For this last chapter, we're going to take some of the things we've learned and see how to apply them to a real web app with multiple web servers. Let's look at how you might monitor these systems without a centralized logging solution like Splunk. You'd have to log into each machine via SSH and just start looking through the log text files. This is problematic for a couple of reasons. One is that it opens up the risk of accidentally breaking something about your installation while you're looking at the logs. It's also just tedious because you have to connect to each web server separately. It doesn't let you cross-reference, and it isn't very easy to filter out just the log entries that matter, which is especially important when you're responding to an emergency. Still, you might be thinking, this isn't so bad. How hard is it really to log into just 2 servers? That's true. When it's just 2 servers, it's pretty manageable. But when you add a database and more web servers, CI/CD servers, a config management server, intrusion detection system, it starts to get overwhelming. And what about when you duplicate your entire environment to safely separate QA staging and production? It's totally unsustainable. Having centralized logging means that you can make sense of all that chaos. This isn't just about convenience. In a crisis where a customer-facing app is down, seconds matter. So being able to immediately have all of the logs in a single place can be the difference between a momentary unexpected outage and a company-ending event. Alerting is the other major piece of this, because you can potentially spot minor issues before they become emergencies. This can be done with older solutions like Nagios, but because Splunk lets you easily create complex alert triggers using search, it's much easier to fine-tune what triggers an alert. Integrating with external services like Slack means you're more likely to see the alerts immediately.